Omusubi, onigiri. Do you know the difference? Most people think they're the same thing, but hidden in these two words is a fascinating piece of Japanese culture and history. Let's find out the secret together. First, the basics. Both words describe the same thing: cooked rice shaped into a triangle or ball, often with a filling inside. You'll find them at every convenience store in Japan. They're a staple of daily life. But why are there two different names? Onigiri comes from the verb nigiru, to grip or squeeze. So it simply means the thing you squeeze. Omusubi, on the other hand, comes from musubu, to tie or to connect. In Japanese culture, musubu carries a deeper meaning, the bond between people and even between people and the divine. That's why omusubi feels more sacred, more heartfelt. When a mother packs lunch with love or a gift is made by hand, omusubi is the word that fits. This difference appears clearly in Japanese folktales. Have you heard the story of Omusubi Kororin? In the story, grandfather carefully makes an omusubi. Then it rolls into a mysterious hole in the ground, leading him to a magical underground world. The story is called Omusubi Kororin, not Onigiri Kororin. Many people feel that choice is meaningful. The tale takes place in a mysterious otherworldly setting, making the word omusubi a particularly fitting choice. In our picture book series, we explore cultural details like these in a special afterword written for families and educators. Here's another great example. In the folktale Saru Kane Gassen, the monkey and crab battle, the crab is eating an onigiri. It's an everyday scene. A crab sitting by the road, eating lunch. No magic, no spirits, just an ordinary meal. So onigiri is the perfect word. Same rice, same shape, but the word changes depending on the moment. That's the richness of the Japanese language. So to recap, onigiri means something shaped by hand. Omusubi carries a sense of connection and tradition. Both are delicious, of course. Japanese folktales are full of hidden layers of meaning, and we're going to explore them together, one story at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.